discussing this bit. An hour, an MLA, as I told you, article an is used when the noun starts with a vowel sound like an I, an undercover agent. But it is also used where a word beginning with a consonant letter has a vowel sound. Now, H is a consonant letter. I hope you all know H is a consonant. It's not a vowel, but we are using an in front of H. Why? Because H is silent there. We are pronouncing it as an hour. An hour. H is a silent one. In the same way, an MLA, M is an consonant sound, but we are using an in front of this. Why? Because when we pronounce it, we are pronouncing it as a vowel sound. And MLA, MLA. So we are using these. What do you call the an in front of word beginning with a consonant letter has a vowel sound. And this is one important example of using difference between A and N. Now, let us see what are the use of definite article THE. We have studied the use of indefinite article A and N. Now, let us see the use of the definite article THE. The definite article THE is used before a noun which has already been introduced earlier, means already which is introduced earlier. Let us see the example. Once upon a time, there lived a farmer in the village. The farmer had a son and a daughter. So this is one sentence. So now see, in the first sentence, in the first reference, an indefinite article is used. So once upon a time, there lived a farmer. In the same way, when we are using the same noun in the second time in the same sentence, we are using THE. See, while in the second one, the definite article gets used. See, first time, a farmer, indefinite article. Second time, when you are using the noun, particularly the same noun what we have used in the beginning, second time when you are referring, you can use definite article THE. And coming to the second usage. Before, some geographical areas and entities like seas, rivers, oceans, groups of islands, mountain ranges, which do not have clear political boundaries, we can use definite article THE. Now let us see, like the Himalayas, the Deccan Plateau, the Pacific Ocean, like this. And with names of some countries which are historically a group of territories. Example, the United States of America, the Netherlands. Now here you need to think about 1 second. You need to think a bit here. When we are talking about, like you may ask, before some countries you said, you may get a doubt, why can't we use before India? Because India is single. India is single. It's not a group of territories. So we can't use in front of that. In the United States of America, when we say you can use the, but when we are talking about only particular America, you can't use the, you have to say America, like India, America. But when you say about all the territories coming together, then you can use the United States of America. That is one important point which you should keep in mind. And before nouns which are unique and only one of their kind, the unique, which cannot be changed, in front of them you can use definite article like the sun, the internet. And before superlative adjectives, I hope you all know superlative adjectives, positive, comparative, superlative. So in front of superlative adjectives, you can use like the most difficult person, the highest peak, like this. In front of superlative adjectives, you can use definite article THE. And before common nouns which are made unique by the use of adjectives such as first, primary, main, etc. Like when you are making common noun and you are making it as an adjective, like unique, and making them as adjectives. The main reason in doing this is then you can use that. The primary target of making the subject online classes are to make students attend all the sessions. So before nouns, when they refer to the entire class or species in order to make the referent of the noun generic. Like example, the tiger is in danger of becoming extinct. Now, before socio-cultural institutions and industries, like the media, socio-cultural institutions and industries means media, the government, the newspaper, like this. And before adjectives, which are used as nouns, nouns, like before adjectives, which we use as nouns, like the poor means the poor indicates the poor people here. Okay, the rich indicates the rich people here. So like this, you can use definite article the.